Hello guys, good evening everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Tonight we will discuss about the series circuit with a supply of 300 out. Our supply is set to 30 volts. This is voltmeter direct current. This is terminal negative. This is positive terminal. Set to 30 volts direct current power supply. This is power supply guys. Then, yung line, ang positive natin, dahil guys, ito yung direct current to guys, may polarity guys. This is positive. Terminal 1 sa lamp A, ang terminal 2, nakaseries siya sa terminal 3, lamp B, ang 4, nakaseries sa terminal 5, lamp C, ang 6, nakaseries sa terminal 7, lamp D, ang 8, nakaseries siya sa 9, lamp E, yung 10, terminal, nakaseries siya sa 11, terminal 11, lamp F, then 12. Ang 12 patungo sa negative terminal sa ating direct current voltmeter. Then another terminal guys, another connection is parallel circuit. Voltmeter direct current set to 6 volt. Direct current power supply. Ang positive guys, nakaseries siya sa lamp A, lamp B, lamp C, lamp D, E, F. Tapos ang another terminal sa lamp A 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Naka-series also siya for negative terminal. That's why they are parallel guys. Parallel siya. Bible verse of the day, Ephesians 2:8. The Bible says, "For by grace are ye saved, through faith, and that not of yourself. It is the gift of God." Thank you guys for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And please, don't forget to hit the notification bell para updated ka sa next videos na akong i-upload. Thank you for watching guys, and God bless. To God be all the glory.